Presenting a brand new 2022 Winnebago Micro Mini 2108 FBS. New 2022 Winnebago Micro Mini 2108 FBS Flex. The compact camper without compromise, Micro Mini is big on features and ready for wayfaring. At 7 feet wide and with multiple open floor plans to choose from, experience the camper life the way you want. Our 2108 FBS Flex is finished in brilliant silver with the crosshatch interior trim. This coach is optioned with heated holding tank pads, 190W solar panel, power stabilizer jacks, Goodyear tires, 10 CU/Food 12V refrigerator, and Dream Dinette in the slide. The Flex package enhances the coach's off-grid capability with 2 solar panels, 3000W inverter, 2 100A/HR lithium-ion batteries, shower miser recirculation system, and highly efficient Truma air conditioner, furnace, and water heater. MSRP on this coach is $61,196. UVW is £41.96, while the GVW is £5,500. See all photos of this and other fine RVs and vehicles at www.gurtonautosols.com, or call John Gurton to discuss transaction details. Tax, title, and $125 documentation fee are extra.